Hello all, welcome to your Swadatham test automation tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to install TestNG in Eclipse. Okay, open Eclipse in your machine. Click launch. Once it is opened, go to help menu and then click install new software and then click add and mention name as TestNG, and you have to give location as TestNG website address. So mention http beust.com/eclipse. So under this path the TestNG is there, so click add. Now it is trying to fetch TestNG. Click TestNG checkbox and then click next, and then accept the license agreement and click finish. Now it is installing TestNG on Eclipse. At the bottom you can see the progressing bar at the bottom of the screen. Just click install anyway. It's installed now. We just need to restart the Eclipse. Just click restart. It's restarted. Now we will convert this Java project as TestNG project. This will create a testng.xml file under your project directory. So now we can see testng.xml. Now we are going to create a testng class. Enter or select source name, source folder, and then package. It's a default package, so you don't need to select. Class name, new test, and I'm selecting all the annotations so that we can check whether it is working as expected or not. Click finish. It is throwing some error. Okay, we have to include TestNG library in build path. So go to build path. Yeah, add library and click TestNG and next and finish. So this will add TestNG library into your project. Now we can see TestNG library and we don't have any errors in new test.java file or class file. Now we can run it as TestNG set. It executed successfully and it passed as well. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching.